People, particularly in the Shiba Inu community, are understandably enthusiastic as we approach a new 4-year bull cycle after the results of the most recent US elections. After all, it all seems quite alluring given the recent massive updates from Satoshi Kusama and the irrational price projections made by experts. However, you shouldn't be too thrilled. The majority of you won't make it. Most likely, you don't have enough. There aren't enough Shiba Inu to capitalize on this bull run. However, how much is really required? All of this is revealed by a new detailed examination of Shiba Inu that was only found today. What's the number, then? In reality, how much do we need to become wealthy? Let's find out, then. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu, this is a big day. With net flows soaring by an astounding 7,400%, we are seeing a startling increase in whale activity. Big players are increasing their Shiba Inu holdings like never before, according to Into the Block, as a result of the rise in net flows for large holders. Such a large spike indicates that these so-called whales are making substantial purchases, and that is often a powerful indication of optimism for the coin's future. Just consider that figure. 7,400%. It's virtually off the charts, not just a little rise. Investors may see numbers like these as encouraging, since they don't happen very often. When they see this, they begin to believe that a significant event could be approaching. This kind of behavior raises questions about whether the whales are just placing bets on a future boom or whether they know something we don't. Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, participated in the community's celebration to heighten the enthusiasm. "History will repeat itself," she said in a post on X. "They neglect you first. They then make fun of you. After that, they fight you. Then you're the winner." Supporters of Shiba Inu find great resonance in her remarks. She seems to be reminding everyone of their past experiences. How Shiba Inu were originally disregarded. Perhaps they even chuckled about it. However, it has now gathered enough traction for major players to begin to consider it seriously. Lucy's article serves as a kind of rallying cry, acknowledging the progress made by the community while also implying that more work has to be done. It serves as motivation for Shiba Inu owners to persevere, exercise patience, and hang on to the hope that significant victories may still be in store. However, this is just the beginning. As Bitcoin hit new all-time highs, U.S. funds experienced a record-breaking net inflow of $1.38 billion in a single day, demonstrating the enormous demand for cryptocurrency. Naturally, BlackRock's fund led the surge, drawing $1.12 billion in capital alone. This goes beyond hype. This increase indicates a growing desire for regulated access to Bitcoin among conventional investors. Retail investors are finding it simpler to acquire digital assets as major players like BlackRock are increasingly providing structured, compliant investment options. Adoption of cryptocurrencies is mostly driven by the retail sector. The market gains increased trading volume, interest, and visibility when individual investors enter the market. Consider the launch of a brand new eatery in the community. If only large companies are involved, there may not be much local publicity. However, the site gains recognition when normal people begin to attend and discuss it, which encourages others to visit as well. Crypto is no different. It grows more popular the more regular investors participate. Retail investors are particularly significant at the moment. More individuals have the chance to participate as institutions make it simpler to invest in cryptocurrency in a safe and secure manner. Retail interest is contributing to the present enthusiasm around Bitcoin and the access offered by funds such as BlackRock's, demonstrating how far the cryptocurrency has progressed from its inception. However, everything changed today. In a single day, Shiba Inu saw a sharp decline in the number of on-chain transactions. Shiba Inu's large transactions dropped precipitously from $6.3 trillion to $2.5 trillion. This indicates that whale activity, which was driving up the price of Shiba Inu, has abruptly slowed down. This kind of whale retreat may indicate that the big investors who were boosting Shiba Inu's valuation are losing interest or backing. This change seems like a blow to the community. Everyone was giddy with anticipation only yesterday over the whale's continued accumulation of Shiba Inu. It's the other way around now. Panic is already sweeping among investors who were enjoying the high. People wonder whether the rally was a one-time event when such a significant shift occurs in a single day. Additionally, it makes many worry that Shiba Inu would lose steam. The community is unsure about what will happen next, since the abrupt decline in large investment activity seems like a significant shift. Here's something crucial, however. Although this kind of decline may seem concerning, it is really a rather typical aspect of how markets function. Whales, or large investors, come and go, modifying their holdings in response to market fluctuations and their own strategy. The current decline in whale activity does not necessarily indicate that Shiba Inu are in danger or that a negative event is imminent. After a significant surge, it is typical for major players to sit back or collect winnings in anticipation of the next chance. Not only cryptocurrency markets exhibit this trend. The end of the road is not always indicated by a slowing. Usually, it just indicates a pause before making an action. These pauses may actually be beneficial, allowing the market to regroup and forge a more solid base. Therefore, even though it's normal to feel a little anxious, Shiba Inu curiosity does not cease with these changes. However, this is a significant topic that has been the subject of much discussion today. Shiba Inu recently had a 17% increase, reaching a multi-month peak and approaching the critical 402 price threshold. But as it gains momentum, a significant barrier gets in the way. Approximately 11.5 trillion Shiba Inu coins are centralized in 15,800 wallets, according to statistics from Into the Block. All of them were purchased between the present price and these 4 zeros. There is significant selling pressure since these holders are now losing money. Approximately $215 million, or over a third of Shiba Inu's current spot market trading volume, is really the whole amount of this sell pressure. The market would need to take up this enormous amount from people wishing to sell if Shiba Inu were to go beyond this stage. It is possible that Shiba Inu may eventually make a breakthrough and reach new heights if that occurs and the purchasing trend continues to be strong. However, Shiba Inu is now up against one of its most difficult trials in a long time. Naturally, the whole Shiba Inu community is talking about this revelation. Traders and investors are closely monitoring Shiba Inu to see whether it will pull back or if it can handle current sell pressure. It's an exciting time for holders. Everyone will have a better notion of whether Shiba Inu can continue its bullish momentum or whether it is about to stall based on how this scenario plays out. All eyes are on this at the moment because of this. This might be a pivotal time. Although the market seems tense, some experts are providing a new and hopeful outlook. According to renowned financial research company Sustain Research, Shiba Inu may be poised for a significant resurgence based on its performance in comparison to Dogecoin. They think Shiba Inu's recent price behavior versus Dogecoin and the dollar is very encouraging, and that it may even surpass Dogecoin in the next year. According to their data, Shiba Inu has continuously found solid support versus Dogecoin at significant price points throughout time. Buyers have intervened each time it reaches these levels, stopping any more drops. The price has recovered from this support level on many occasions in the past, resulting in significant gains. Since this trend is already recurring, experts are betting that Shiba Inu may soon rise to a level that would almost quadruple its current price. Shiba Inu has maintained a stable support range against the dollar since early this year, demonstrating tenacity despite a decline in price from previous highs. According to Sustain Research, this is a strong basis for future growth, with the possibility of reaching heights that would constitute a substantial improvement over current levels. They think Shiba Inu might reach a peak that would treble the gains made earlier this year, provided it adheres to this support and resistance pattern. Since Shiba Inu have a history of recovering well from comparable circumstances, this attitude is giving the community optimism. Analysts are speculating that Shiba Inu may be getting ready for a significant rebound since the support levels are holding strong and there may be upside ahead. Many people are now keeping a careful eye on this since it may mark the beginning of an exciting time for Shiba Inu owners. And because we're discussing the path of Shiba Inu, here's something interesting. The findings of a recent study by CryptoBasic that examined the current value of a modest 2020 investment in Shiba Inu are astounding. At its beginning price, Shiba Inu would today be worth almost $126,000 if someone had invested only $10. It would have risen to far over $1 million if you had invested a little more, say $100. Additionally, a $1,000 investment made back then would today provide a return of more than $12 million. Since its inception, Shiba Inu has outperformed almost all other top 100 cryptocurrencies, demonstrating its progress as one of the most remarkable assets in the cryptocurrency space. People are inherently enthused about the future when they hear stories like this. This kind of history gives people optimism even if there is no assurance of comparable returns, particularly in light of all the current events that have reignited interest. However, what do you think about that? Please share your opinions in the comments section. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.